Ever wondered what truly powers your car's engine? The choice of oil is more critical than you might think. Today, we're diving deep into the world of engine lubricants, synthetic versus conventional oil. Our goal is to break down their differences, benefits, and help you make the best choice for your vehicle. Let's start with conventional oil. It's derived directly from crude oil, then refined to meet basic engine needs. This traditional lubricant has been the standard for decades, offering reliable performance for many vehicles. One of its main advantages is cost-effectiveness, making it an economical choice for many drivers. It's also well-suited for older engine designs and standard driving conditions, where demands aren't extreme. However, conventional oil can be less stable under extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. This can lead to quicker breakdown, reducing its protective qualities over time and mileage. It also contains more impurities compared to its synthetic counterpart, which can affect engine cleanliness. Now, let's shift to synthetic oil. This is a man-made lubricant, chemically engineered for superior performance. Its precise composition allows for exceptional stability across a wide range of temperatures. Synthetic oil offers better protection against engine wear, reducing friction and extending component life. It also allows for longer drain intervals, meaning fewer oil changes and less hassle for you. Improved fuel efficiency is another benefit, as its consistent viscosity helps your engine run smoother. The primary drawback: synthetic oil typically comes with a higher upfront cost. Let's compare them side by side. Purity is a major differentiator. Synthetic oil is virtually free of impurities, leading to cleaner engine operation. Viscosity stability is crucial. Synthetic maintains its thickness better in extreme heat and cold. This superior stability translates directly to enhanced engine protection and reduced wear and tear. Synthetic oil also excels at preventing sludge buildup, keeping your engine internals pristine. Regarding drain intervals, synthetic oil typically lasts much longer, often 2 to 3 times that of conventional. While synthetic has a higher initial cost, its long-term benefits often outweigh the expense. This includes fewer oil changes, better fuel economy, and reduced engine wear over the vehicle's lifespan. So, which one is better for your engine? It depends on several factors. Consider your vehicle type, driving habits, and the climate you typically drive in. Always check your owner's manual first. It provides specific recommendations from the manufacturer. For modern engines, high-performance vehicles, or extreme conditions, synthetic is often the superior choice. If you have an older car, or drive under standard, less demanding conditions, conventional oil might suffice. In summary, synthetic oil offers advanced protection and performance, especially for modern engines. Conventional oil remains a cost-effective option for older vehicles and standard driving. Ultimately, the right choice ensures optimal engine health and longevity for your ride. Thank you for watching. Drive safe and keep your engine running strong.